Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to add slide number in PowerPoint. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for my latest video. Guys, first of all open your PowerPoint, then click on View, click on Slide Master, then click on Insert. In this you can see here header and footer. Click on this. Now you can see here slide number. Select this option, then click on Apply to All. After doing this, again click on Slide Master, then click on Close Master View. Slide number has been added. Slide 1, slide 2 and slide 3. That's it guys. So in this way you add slide number in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.